For this tutorial, you'll need to watch the wedding wrap crochet tutorial first. Please find the link in the video description. I'm working with our handmade wedding yarn, and you need a total of 1,700 meters in the 2-ply version. Set 2 markers in the center to mark the neckline. Now let's attach the thread at this point, and afterwards we are going to mirror our work so far. Let's skip the section between the markers, and we're going to crochet a double crochet base over these marked section. So we're going to crochet 67 double crochets over the skipped 67 stitches. Let's start our work with a simple slip knot. Yarn over, stitch through the very first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2, and then pull through 2. Then continue to crochet double crochets across the row. Continue to crochet until you reach the marker. At the marker, I'm going to start my double crochet base. That means chain 1 first, and then pull through 2, and again through 2, and this will let your chain base grow. So let's do this together. Yarn over and go through the next stitch from your base, pull up a loop, and first chain 1 to grow, and then pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yeah, and continue this way for the number of stitches you want to skip. And these are the 67 double crochets, the same number of stitches as skipped. And now let's join this to our work, and for this I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going also through my stripe, and then I'm going through the marked stitch to attach the work. Then pull up a loop, and you've got your 3 loops on your hook, and chain 1, and then pull through 2 and pull through 2. And afterwards continue to crochet double crochets as usual until the end of the row. Yeah, and from now on we are going to just mirror our whole work, so we will do the same as for the wrap. So that's the neckline and the center, and yeah, just mirror, do just the same pattern as before, but make sure that your post double crochets are on the same side. So it could be that you need to crochet back post double crochets to ensure that the post is on one side only. Yeah, happy crochet, and we will meet us again to sew this work. So after the back post double crochets, let's do the V-stitch section again. So after finishing, we are going to fold our work, and we are going to mark the sewing sides, the sewing lines, and I like to secure the work with markers. And then I'm just going to crochet single crochets across this side. You can sew it with the tapestry needle, but I just like to crochet and to finish it this way. When you're at the last stitch, you can cut the yarn, then chain one and pull the yarn through the very last stitch and tighten. We don't need the marker anymore. And now just take your tapestry needle, and then you can hide the ends, just sew the ends. So this is how it looks like, and we will do the same also on the other side. So you will sew it the same way as here. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified if there is a new video in the future. And yeah, happy crochet. Let me know on social media about your projects. Use the hashtag Woolpedia. And until next time, bye bye.